Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but laundry is not my favorite chore. But this laundry countertop from OfficeSimpli is a total game changer. One thing that I hate about laundry is trying to find somewhere to fold it, and this totally solves that problem. I can take my laundry straight out of the dryer to this countertop and get it folded while not taking up another surface in my house. I was really impressed by the quality of this countertop. I chose the slate gray color, but you can get this in several color options. It's actually very heavy. It's made in the US from wood sourced 100% from forests in the Pacific Northwest. It's constructed from a thermo-fused laminate, not a melamine, which makes it super durable and very scratch resistant. And when I tell you this thing is solid and heavy, it really is, and definitely going to last. They include 4 non-slip pads to keep it steady. And honestly, this has not budged since I put it in place, and I have done several loads of laundry. I have folded clothes on it, I've bumped into it, and it stays put. I love that you can use this, of course, for folding your laundry, but also for storage for your different laundry supplies, or even to just add some decorations to your space. And there's a 3.5-inch lip all around it, making sure nothing slides off the edges and gets lost. This was a simple but extremely useful upgrade for my laundry room. It's been a huge help for me. This product also comes with really awesome customer service. It's super easy to get in touch with them by email if you have any issues, so this is really a no-brainer. I absolutely love this, and I am so pleased to have this countertop in my life, and that's my point of view.